for the following counties in Ohio: Belmont, Carroll, Columbiana, Coshocton, Guernsey, Harrison, Jefferson, Monroe, Muskingum, Noble, and Tuscarawas, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Allegheny, Armstrong, Beaver, Butler, Clarion, Fayette Ridges, Fayette west of Chestnut Ridge, Forest, Greene. Higher elevations of Indiana County, Jefferson, Lawrence, Mercer, Venango, Washington, Westmoreland Ridges, and Westmoreland west of Chestnut Ridge, and the following counties in West Virginia: Brooke, Eastern Preston, Eastern Tucker, Hancock, Marion, Marshall, Monongalia, Ohio, Preston, ridges of eastern Monongalia and northwestern Preston, western Tucker, and Wetzel. Extreme cold watch remains in effect from late Sunday night through Thursday morning. What? An extended period of temperatures up to 30 degrees below normal. Dangerously cold wind chills as low as 25 below zero possible. Wind chills as low as 30 below zero are possible for higher elevations. Where? Portions of east central Ohio, northwest, southwest, and western Pennsylvania, and the northern panhandle of West Virginia. When? From late Sunday night through Thursday morning. The coldest period is most likely from Monday to early Wednesday, with the coldest wind chills during the morning hours Tuesday and Wednesday. Impacts: periods of dangerously cold wind chills as low as 25 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Frostbite and hypothermia will occur if unprotected skin is exposed to these temperatures. An extended period of freezing temperatures could cause ruptured water pipes. Dress in layers including a hat, face mask, and gloves if you must go outside. To prevent water pipes from freezing, wrap or drain or allow them to drip slowly. Keep pets indoors as much as possible. Make sure outdoor animals have a warm, dry shelter, food, and unfrozen water. Make frequent checks on older family, friends, and neighbors. Ensure portable heaters are used correctly. Do not use generators or grills inside. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates. The Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania